Ever find yourself mesmerized by epic drone footage and think, I wish I could do that, if only I knew where to start? You're not alone. Drones are more than just tech toys. They're storytelling tools and pure flying fun. But with so many options and confusing specs, getting started can feel overwhelming. Don't worry. Today, we're cutting through the noise and sharing the 5 best beginner drones to buy in 2025. Your perfect first co-pilots into the skies. Our first recommended asset for new recruits is the DJI Mini 4K. Consider this your perfect starter scout drone. It's incredibly light and compact, folding down to fit into even the tightest gear pouches, making it ideal for rapid deployment. Critically, weighing in at under 249 grams, this asset mostly bypasses the more complex registration protocols in many territories, a clear advantage for stealth ops. For the rookie pilot, its controls are intuitive, feeling natural from the first liftoff. It even comes equipped with automated flight modes, like cinematic quick shots, essentially providing pilot training wheels for effortlessly smooth aerial footage without extensive prior experience. The 4K video quality is surprisingly clear for an asset at this price point. While it lacks advanced obstacle avoidance or subject tracking, features that would be overkill for initial training missions. Anyway, it's a solid, budget-friendly entry into the aerial world. Designed to get your feet off the ground without overwhelming your sensory input. Next on our roster is the DJI Neo, proving that even the smallest assets can pack a significant punch. Designed for effortless flight, this is a prime candidate for first-timers, especially those focused on personal aerial surveillance or casual video logs. What sets the Neo apart is its adaptable control interface. You're not confined to just one method of operation. You can initiate launch and control directly from the drone itself via the intuitive DJI Fly app, a dedicated remote, or even integrate FPV goggles for a truly immersive combat simulation. Weighing a mere 135 grams and equipped with propeller guards, this asset is certified for safe indoor operations, minimizing collateral damage during training exercises. Its face tracking capabilities provide seamless personal surveillance, keeping you in frame, and the 4K video delivers sharp intel for such a compact unit. While not the fastest asset in our inventory, its sheer ease of use and high morale, boosting fun factor more than compensate. Sometimes the most effective operatives emerge from unexpected agencies. The Potensic Atom 2 is a prime example, representing the second generation of Potensic's ultralight drone series, and it's a significant upgrade. Historically strong in the recreational drone sector, the Atom 2 now feels like a genuine contender against established forces like DJI's Mini line. This version boasts an enhanced camera with a larger sensor for superior image clarity, subtle airframe refinements, and a newly designed remote control unit that feels remarkably premium in hand. A standout feature is its subject tracking system. Impressively accurate for its cost, mimicking capabilities previously restricted to high-tier assets. Its application software is equally beginner-friendly, streamlining mission planning for effortlessly smooth, professional-grade aerial shots. A minor operational quirk involves the barrel connector in the Fly More kit, but this is a negligible detail in an otherwise robust and cost-effective package. For those recruits seeking alternative agency assets, the Autel Evo Nano Plus presents a compelling option. This asset is lightweight, operating under the 250-gram threshold, thereby avoiding most flight restrictions, yet it carries substantial capabilities. Its primary weapon is its camera system, which demonstrably outperforms the DJI Mini 3 in low-light conditions, providing superior night vision for capturing sunsets or urban illumination. It also exhibits commendable wind resistance, ensuring operational stability in varied atmospheric conditions. Crucially, it incorporates built-in collision detection, a vital safety protocol for new pilots. While the DJI Mini 4 Pro maintains a slight overall advantage, Autel consistently deploys firmware updates, enhancing the Nano Plus's operational parameters. For recruits prioritizing superior camera quality, integrated safety features, and a break from conventional agency assets, the Evo Nano Plus warrants serious consideration. Not all beginner assets are designed for long-term career progression, but the DJI Flip absolutely is. This asset is small enough for covert pocket carry, rugged enough for routine field operations, and intelligent enough to track designated targets using integrated AI. It supports hand launch capabilities, eliminating setup stress and ensuring rapid deployment. Despite its appearance as a simple personal surveillance unit, the Flip integrates serious hardware: a 1.3-inch sensor, crisp 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second, and 48-megapixel RAW photo capture. Its operation is simplified via voice prompts and visual indicators, yet a full-size DJI controller is included for comprehensive command. Omnidirectional collision avoidance, robust battery life, and DJI's reliable range technology make it ideal for new pilots. Furthermore, it manages to maintain an operational weight under 249 grams, even with its extensive safety features. For recruits seeking an asset that provides immediate operational readiness, combined with significant future growth potential, the DJI Flip achieves a perfect balance between beginner accessibility and professional-grade performance. Recruits, that concludes our briefing on 5 of the best beginner drones for 2025. Each of these assets offers a unique blend of capabilities, ease of deployment, and strategic value, ready to launch your aerial career. Your mission now: choose your first flying companion. Which asset do you believe is the best fit for your inaugural mission? Drop your selection in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.